Good morning, student. Today I am going to teach chapter number 3, Admission of a Partner, lecture number 20. Topic is Accounting Treatment of Goodwill, and under this topic, subtopic is when new partner does not bring his share of goodwill in cash. It is already stated that as per Accounting Standard 26 issued by the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, that only cash goodwill is recorded in the books of accounts. If the new partner is unable to bring his share of premium goodwill in cash, it is adjusted through partner's capital account or current account. Partner capital account and current account. Basically, I will denote through current account because it will denote goodwill not brought by new partner. AS26 is mandatory in nature, so it must be followed. Following journal entry will be passed when new partner does not bring his share of goodwill in cash. Journal entry will be new partner current account DR to old partner capital account or current account, both. When capital of old partner will be fixed, then I will transfer into partner's current account, being goodwill share adjusted among partners in sacrifice ratio. But no entry will be for bring goodwill, because I have already discussed that when cash does not bring new partner, then it will not recorded. So it will not recorded. And second, new partner current account to old partner capital account, it will shared by old partner in sacrifice ratio. Now see some illustration related to goodwill. Suppose A and B are partner in a firm. Sharing profit ratio is 3:1. They admitted C as a new partner. The new profit sharing ratio of ABC will be 2:1:1. C brings 2,50,000 as capital, but not bring goodwill in cash, but not bring his share of goodwill rupees 10,000. Goodwill not brings in cash. Pass necessary journal entries in the books of the firm for the amount of capital brought in by siege and for the treatment of goodwill. Now see the answer of this question. First I will calculate sacrifice ratio. So age sacrifice equal to 3/4 minus 2/4 equal to 1/4, and beach sacrifice equal to 1/4 minus 1/4 equal to 0. Then in this question only A is sacrificing partner in favor of C. Now journal entry will be journal entries cash account DR to siege capital account 2,50,000 in DR and CR both side. And second journal entry will be for goodwill. So siege current account DR to age capital account. In this question, C's current account shows his goodwill is on amount of goodwill is on credit. So I will write current account. Now it will be 10,000. See next example. Suppose X and Y are partner in a firm in the ratio of 5:3. On 31st March 2019, they admitted Z as new partner. The new profit sharing ratio will be new profit sharing ratio of XYZ will be 4:3:2. This is given in question, and old ratio is also given. Z brought in 1 lakh as cash for his share of capital, but could not bring any amount for goodwill in cash. The firm's goodwill on Z admission was valued. Firm's goodwill valued 1,80,000. After the time of Z admission, goodwill existed in the books of the firm at 2,40,000. So goodwill appears in the books 2,40,000 is also given in question. Now prepare journal entry I repeat once again, question: X and Y are partner in a firm in the ratio of 5:3. Z is new partner and bring 1 lakh as capital but not for goodwill. New profit sharing ratio is 4:3:2. Firm's goodwill valued 1,80,000. Goodwill appears in the books 2,40,000. Answer will be, first I will write off goodwill and then it will be next journal entry. New ratio and old ratio is given, so I will first calculate X sacrifice equal to 5/8 minus 4/9. It will be 13/72. Y sacrifice equal to 3/8 minus 3/9. It will be 3/72. Therefore sacrifice ratio will be 13:3. Now Z share of goodwill will be 1,80,000. 1,80,000 into Z share is 2/9, so it will be 40,000. Now journal entry will be, first journal entry will be journal entries for writing of goodwill appear in the books. So journal entry will be X capital account DR, Y capital account DR, to goodwill account. Amount will be 2,40,000 and it will write off in the ratio of 5:3, that is old ratio. It will be 1,50,000 and 90,000. Now second journal entry will be for cash account DR to Z's capital account. Z bring 1 lakh as capital, so it will be recorded in book. And last will be Z's current account DR to X capital account to Y's capital account. Z share of goodwill is 40,000 and ratio is given 13:3. Sacrifice ratio is given, so I will distribute in sacrifice ratio. It will be 32,500 and 7,500. Now new partner does not bring his share of goodwill in cash, CBSE in 2019-20 curriculum suggested an alternate method of treatment of goodwill. If the incoming partner is unable to bring his share of goodwill in cash, so see the alternate method. Second method, that is second method, this is second method, alternate method. In this alternate method, full goodwill of the firm is raised among the old partners in their old profit sharing ratio, and raised goodwill is immediately written off in the new profit sharing ratio of partners after the admission of new partner in this method. So see first this question I have solved this question by first method, and I am going to solve by alternate method. Well, for this question, repeat again, X and Y are partner in the firm, and new profit sharing ratio is to 4:3:2. Z is new partner, bring 1 lakh as capital. Firm goodwill valued 1,80,000. Z goodwill appears in the books 2,40,000. So this method is related to goodwill only. So journal entry will be goodwill account dr to X capital account to Y capital account. I will write off raised goodwill of the firm 1,80,000. 1,80,000 in old ratio it will be 1,12,500 and 67,500. Now I will write off goodwill in new profit sharing ratio. So journal entry will be X capital account dr, Y capital account dr, Z's capital account dr to goodwill account. I have discussed first we will raise the goodwill and then write off goodwill among new profit sharing ratio among new partner. Now 1,80,000 will share by old partner in old new ratio. So it will be 80,000, 60,000 and 40,000. And net effect, only two entry will be done. Net effect of above two entry, net effect of above two entries will be same as in first. So you can see journal entry will be Jad's current or capital account, DR to X capital account to Y capital account. Because goodwill CR 1,80,000 and goodwill DR 1,80,000, it will be cancelled, and XY will be credit and XYZ will be debit. So when we will join both the journal entry, net effect will be Z current account to X capital account to Y capital account. It will be 40,000 Z, 40,000 DR, and when we deduct, it will effect same 32,500 and 7,500. So next new illustration on the basis of the above discussed topic. Partly premium brought in cash. Suppose A and B are partner in a firm in the ratio of 5:3. They admit C into partnership for 3/10th share of in profit, which he acquired 2/10th from A and 1/10th from B. C brings 30,000. C brings 30,000 rupees, 30,000 premium in cash. Premium in cash out of his share of rupees 78,000. Goodwill account does not appear in the books of A and B. Give journal entry. Now answer will be cash account DR to premium for goodwill account $30,000 because 30,000 brings in cash, and second journal entry will be premium for goodwill account DR C's current account DR to A's capital account to B's capital account. Premium for goodwill will be 30,000 and remaining balance 48,000 will be on credit because she is unable to bring goodwill in cash full amount, and it will shared by partner in sacrifice ratio. Sacrifice ratio will be 2:1 because A has sacrificed 2/10 and B has sacrificed 1/10. Now it will distribute 52,000 and 26,000. You can see next example also. A and B are partner in a firm. Sharing profit ratio equal 1:1. They admit C for paying only 10,000 as premium out of 25,000 for 1/4 share. She is new partner and join for 1/4 share. Goodwill appear in the books. Goodwill appear in the books 20,000. Give necessary journal entries. So first I will write off. Answer will be, first I will write off goodwill appear in the books in the old ratio. So journal entry will be age capital account dr, B's capital account dr to goodwill account. Goodwill account 20,000, 10,000, 10,000, because old ratio is given equal. Now she brings goodwill. So journal entry will be cash account dr to premium for goodwill account 10,000, 10,000. And last journal entry will be premium for goodwill account dr, C's current account dr to A's capital account to B's capital account. Now premium for goodwill account will be 10,000, remaining balance 50,000. Is current account and it will shared by old partner in equal ratio, because sacrifice ratio will be equal. So it will be 12,000, 15,500 and 12,500. This is the nature of goodwill. And when partner does not bring goodwill in cash, it will not recorded first, and second it will distributed among old partner in sacrifice ratio as current account. Thank you.